Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the Industrial Revolution and compare it with the modern world. The Industrial Revolution started in the 18th century, around the year 1760, and in completely changed the way people worked and lived. Before that time, people worked mostly in the century, using simple tools and they are live more slower, harder and less comfortable than today. If the Industrial Revolution and never happened, we would have a technology that makes our life easy now. During that period, new machines were intelligent like the steam engine. It made transportation faster and more efficient. In the past, traveling for one city another could take many days, but now it only takes a few hours. Things car and airplanes have made works smart and more connect in people in the in third century and I plan the world have explored the world much faster.
That's true, Samuel. During the Industrial Revolution, people started to move from farms to cities. The cities become bigger, but also more crowded and dirtier than before. People worked long hours in factories, sometimes more than 12 hours a day. And the conditions were more dangerous than in our time. Now, jobs are safer and better paid, and workers have more rights. If workers back then had the laws we have today, life would have been fairer for everyone. Technology also changed a lot. Machines in the 19th century were slower and less efficient than today's technology. Now we use computer, robots, and artificial intelligence to do things faster and better. Factories today are cleaner, quicker, and more productive. If people the Industrial Revolution could see our modern technology, they would be amazed. Communication is another big difference. In the 19th century, people used letters that could take several weeks to arrive. Today, we can talk to anyone in the world in seconds. The internet and smartphones make our world the most connected it has ever been. If we didn't have the internet today, our lives would be much more difficult.
Exactly, Jonathan. Education is for importation por parte de comparison. In the 9th century, online rich families could afford to send the children to school. Most children working in factory in the of studying. Today, studying the became more accessible and more inclusive. If children from past studying, the world have the born even faster. However, not everything is perfect today. The Industrial Revolution brought progress, but it falls create poverty and social problems. Factory used coal and smoke feeding the city. If people in the past they carry more out natural of planet would be clean today.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it, our comparison between the Industrial Revolution and the modern world. History teaches us that every change had good and bad sides. If we learn from it, we can build a brighter future. It's all. Thank you for your attention.